Remove all residues of old applications if necessary. We recommend a final 100 grit. Dampen the surface with water. Use a garden hose, but never a high-pressure cleaner. Take exterior wood cleaner and pour it in a bucket. Always use gloves and be careful the product does not get in the eyes. Now apply some undiluted exterior wood cleaner and scrub it with a nylon scrubbing brush in the lengthwise direction of the wood. This will cause the product to foam. Once the wood is clean, rinse thoroughly with water until all the foam has disappeared. Allow the surface to dry completely. Only work in frost-free and dry weather conditions. Take the DuroGrit. When using multiple cans, mix them together for an even result. Stir the product a few minutes before use. Pour the required amount of oil into a mixing container. Apply the product evenly to the surface with the wood cream brush or standard brush 220 for terraces. Maintain a wet edge to avoid overlaps. Finish in the direction of the wood installation and work in small sections of approximately 1 or 2 boards wide. Let the surface dry for about 3 hours. Complete curing takes place after 3 days. Use exterior soap for the regular cleaning and nourishing of the terrace. We recommend a yearly visual checkup just after winter season. You can clean dirt and green deposits with low-pressure water and a soft brush or exterior soap. If necessary, when you have colors that fade out, apply a maintenance coat according to the instructions. Vertical surfaces every 3 to 5 years. Horizontal surfaces every year.